This video then will show you how to add an image to a gallery and then how to edit the image title. So as you can see, I've done one here. So what you do is you get to the page with the gallery on it, and then you just click on the gallery once and it says add images. Click on add images, upload from your file. So I've got an image here which was is going to be the thumbnail. That's the image. It's just a screenshot of one of the files, one of the census files. Click on that, and it uploads it there. Then what you do is you click on the gallery once. It asks you if you want to add another image, but you don't. You want to just put a caption on it. So click it again, and it gives you options to add a link or add a caption. Click on caption. Also coming soon, and hit done. And now we've got two new coming soons, and then all we have to do is click on link and add the new link as and when. So there's two there ready to go. So you just add a screenshot image. I'll send the screenshot to you, so you've got, or in fact I'll put it in the Google Drive, and then you have the image, and you can just add that image anytime you like. There is something else I noticed in census data. There's only one PDF of 1871 in the census data file for so I don't know where all the census data information is. I can't see it. Ah, there it is. Right, so we've got two files for census data's in parish records. So the census data, parish records, and then inside parish records there's another census data. So that's why that's not there. So I'm going to move this one, move to parish records, census data, move here, and then I'm going to delete that one. Right, so now you have got parish records, and in parish records you've got census data, and all of it's in there. Okay, so hopefully that all makes sense, and it sounds like you're getting to grips with it. Cheers.